Hello friends, welcome to NG Experiments. Happy Holi in advance.
This is the future.
This is PVC pipe. This is the small piece of this pipe. This is cycle tube, old piece. We'll cut the pieces of cycle tube according to the radius of inner circle. So we had cutted the tubes pieces. Now we'll join them like this. So here I'm using the tube glue, cycle tube solution. This is small container. So we had made a hole to this container's cap. It will be easily fixed. Now we have to bend this rod. This is M seal. We are kept here MC and here. For output of water, we are using here small cap. We'll make a big hole here and we'll fix here. So we had made hole. This is pen. We'll cut a piece of it and we'll fix front of this hole. So we had cut it. Okay. We'll keep MC here to avoid water leakage. We'll stick this to our pipe. So our pichkari is ready. Now we have to stick this cap and we have to spray paint it with black color. Except this part, we'll spray all the part of pichkari. So this is our pichkari. This is black spray paint. Now we'll spray it. Except this part, we'll spray the hole. So we had made this. We had painted with black spray paint. Now it's time for testing.